Hello friends, very good morning to all of you. In our yesterday's lecture, we discussed what are the basic food content or nutrients of food material, carbohydrates, fats, lipids, proteins, etc. Okay, and we studied all the basic things, how food can be preserved, how it can be stored, what is the necessity to store it. Now today we are going to continue the article which we studied in the last part of the yesterday's lecture. So let us start from this point. The following cases illustrate some aspects of food quality and the underlying chemistry. In yesterday's lecture, we studied the 5 different points on the basis of which the quality of food can be determined. In that, first one is flavor, then the second one is odor, that is smell, third one is color, fourth one is microbial spoilage, and the fifth one is texture. These are the 5 factors who describes the food quality in terms of these parameters. Now let us study one by one the cases which illustrate some aspect of food quality. In that, first one is browning of cut fruits or vegetables. All of we know some of the fruits or vegetables, when we cut them, they turn reddish brown, or sometime some kind of chemical or liquid is there which come out after cutting them. When fruits such as banana, apple, or vegetables such as potato, bottle gourd are peeled and sliced, sooner or later they turn brown. Cutting action damages the cells, resulting in release of chemicals. What happens in case of such fruits or such vegetables? What is meaning of this word? Bottle gourd, dudhi bhopla. Okay, so most of the times when we cut vegetables and fruits, some kind of liquids arise from them. And why these liquids arise from these cut fruits or vegetables? It is just because of the damaging of the cells present in them, from which there is release of chemicals. With the pH prevailing in fruit or vegetables, the polyphenols released are oxidized with oxygen in air owing the action from an enzyme to form quinones. हे जे काही बाहेर पडणारे केमिकल्स आहेत, यामध्ये बऱ्याच वेळेला पॉलिफेनॉल केमिकल्स असतात आणि हे पॉलिफेनॉल्स जेव्हा हवेतल्या ऑक्सिजन बरोबर रिॲक्ट होतात त्यावेळेला एन्झाईमच्या प्रेझेन्समध्ये त्यांचं कन्वर्जन क्युनोन्समध्ये होतं. पॉलिफेनॉल, द नेम इटसेल्फ इंडिकेट, फेनॉलिक फंक्शनल ग्रुप एकापेक्षा जास्त. बघा, पॉली मीन्स मेनी, फेनॉल म्हणजे फेनॉलिक OH ग्रुप. बेन्झिन रिंगला एकापेक्षा जास्त OH ग्रुप जर अटॅच्ड असतील तर त्याला म्हणायचं पॉलिफेनॉल. प्लस हाफ ऑफ O2 in presence of enzyme, formation of quinone plus water get released. Quinones undergo further reactions including polymerization, giving brown colored products named tannin. जे काही क्युनोन बाहेर पडतं ते क्युनोनचं पुन्हा काय होते, रिॲक्शन होते आणि मग त्यानंतर ब्राऊन कलर्ड प्रोडक्ट बाहेर पडतात. त्या ब्राऊन कलर्ड प्रोडक्टला काय म्हणतो आपण? टॅनिन्स असं म्हणतो. ओके. The browning reaction can be slowed down using reducing agents such as SO2, ascorbic acid, that is vitamin C, or by change of pH by adding edible acids such as lemon juice, that is citric acid or vinegar. हे जे काही ब्राउनिंग होतंय फ्रूट्सचं किंवा व्हेजिटेबल्सचं, हे ब्राउनिंग आपण कमी करू शकतो, रिड्यूस करू शकतो किंवा स्लो डाऊन करू शकतो. कसं? हे सगळे पदार्थ ॲड करू शकतो आपण by adding SO2, ascorbic acid म्हणजेच vitamin C, changing the pH by adding edible acids such as lemon juice, that is citric acid or vinegar. म्हणजे हे सगळे पदार्थ वापरून तुम्ही ब्राउनिंगचा स्पीड काय करू शकता? स्लो डाऊन करू शकता. MCQ येऊ शकतो यावरती. Now the second factor is the rancidity of oils and fats. Yes, you might have heard this word as well as you studied in your 10th standard. What is rancidity? रॅन्सिडिटी म्हणजे खवटपणा असं म्हणतात त्याला मराठीमध्ये. म्हणजे कंटिन्युअस जर तेल उकळलं तर त्यातनं जसा कडवट वास येतो, त्याची चव पण बदलते, त्या प्रकाराला काय म्हणतात? रॅन्सिडिटी ऑफ ऑइल्स म्हणतात. So let us study rancidity of oils and fats. On keeping for long time, oils and fats develop an unpleasant or rancid smell and disagreeable taste. नकोशी असणारी चव आणि अतिशय कडवट किंवा अनप्लेजंट म्हणजे अतिशय न आवडणारा असा वास त्या तेलाला किंवा फॅटला येतो. whenever we keep it for a long time is known as rancidity. Fats are triesters of fatty acids. Very important statement it is. Fats are triesters of fatty acids, that is long chain carboxylic acids, and glycerol, which is having an IUPAC name propane 1,2,3-triol. One cause of rancidity is release of fatty acids produced during hydrolysis of fats brought about by water present in food. Very simple reaction it is. Whatever triglycerides are present, आत्ताच आपण स्टेटमेंट वाचलं की फॅट्स आर द ट्रायइस्टर्स ऑफ फॅटी ॲसिड्स. ट्रायइस्टर ऑफ फॅटी ॲसिड हे जे काय आहे फॅट मॉलिक्यूल, ट्रायग्लिसराइड मॉलिक्यूल, ट्राय मीन्स 3, ग्लिसराइड molecules undergo hydrolysis in presence of 3 water molecules. We get formation of glycerol, ज्याचंच IUPAC नेम आपण आता पाहिलं प्रोपॅन 1,2,3-triol. Look here, 1,2,3 tri and alcoholic OH group are present, so it is propan 1,2,3-triol, or the common name is glycerol or glycerin. Plus side product formed are free fatty acids. In your textbook here positive signs are given in between. याचा अर्थ 3 वेगवेगळे मॉलिक्यूल तयार होतात म्हणून ते साइन तिथे वापरलेले आहे. सो फ्री फॅटी ॲसिड्स आर फॉर्म्ड. द हायड्रॉलिसिस ऑफ फॅट्स occurs rapidly in the presence of certain microorganisms and is an enzyme catalyzed reaction. Very important statement it is. हायड्रॉलिसिस ऑफ फॅट, आत्ता आपण जी रिॲक्शन बघितली हायड्रॉलिसिस ऑफ फॅटचं हायड्रॉलिसिस, हायड्रो मीन्स वॉटर, लायसिस मीन्स ब्रेकडाऊन. इन प्रेझेन्स ऑफ वॉटर देर इज ब्रेकडाऊन ऑफ अ कॉम्प्लेक्स फॅट मॉलिक्यूल इंटू सिम्पलर ग्लिसेरॉल अँड फ्री फॅटी ॲसिड्स. हे जे ब्रेकडाऊन होतं आहे हे ब्रेकडाऊन नेहमी कोणाच्या प्रेझेन्समध्ये होतं? इन प्रेझेन्स ऑफ सर्टन मायक्रो ऑर्गॅनिझम्स and it is an enzyme catalyzed reaction. What is meant by enzyme catalyzed reaction? These reactions require certain specific enzymes to perform them. म्हणजे त्या रिॲक्शन्स घडण्यासाठी काही पर्टिक्युलर एन्झाईम्स असतील तरच त्या रिॲक्शन कॅरी होतात.